Overlord 2 just got a Photoshop update. It can now shoot your Photoshop layers over to After Effects. So I'm going to show you something kind of quick and easy that I sometimes do with my Photoshop files to kind of give them a little bit of life. Here is the illustration that I did. You can see it's all raster scribbles, getting layers. Come on, Adam, you usually have something cooler there. Like grabbing, I don't know, it's too fast for me to even come up with a joke. And we got our layers. I'm going to call this Posterize, which are Posterize time. I'm going to put that somewhere between 10 and 12. We'll start with 12. So let's go out of position, keyframe. I'm going to hold Alt and I'm going to click. Wiggle, I'm going to say like 12 and 4. And that's kind of running at its own pace. And we're going to try and convince people that this is hand-drawn. Okay, in this simple choker, I have customized some hold frames, adjusting the amount, the choke amount, which you can see here. So we're going from like 1 to 0.8 to 2.4 to 1 to 9.8 to 1 to 1.9. Hand-drawn animation includes variances in line width. You know, that comes from drawing and pen pressures on a tablet. First, our Boils 1. Boils 1 is essentially the turbulent displace technique. So we've got the amount right here. This is all up to you guys to play with. This one is sort of affecting the larger shape. This is gooing it up, so I probably would add a sharpen because of what that just did. So now if I add a sharpen, a little bit of that crispness back that we were losing. We go to second boil. This one is more traditional, like trying to affect the lines and less trying to manipulate the entirety of the shape. We did that. Now what do we want to do? I want to take everything from here on and pre-comp it. I'm going to duplicate it a bunch. I'm going to turn those off. And then I'm just going to start grabbing people with dirty mask. Not people, grabbing things with dirty masks. What do I mean by dirty masks? Just really not being cautious about where I'm going, eh? There's one. That should be our whole thing. See how we're moving? Now we just got a bunch of comps cut up. Why did we do this? Well, now we're going to start offsetting. Cool. We're looking sort of hand-drawn. Anyways, thanks for joining, guys. That's Overlord into After Effects from Photoshop. Pretty cool. See you later.